Hey everybody, Jordan from Car Smart Mobile Mechanic, owner and operator. Just wanted to bring you a little tip for when you're doing tie rod ins. Inner and outer, doesn't matter. Any car, doesn't matter. This is my 99 Chevy Tahoe. Her name is Betty White. But anyway, so the tip is, mark the threads where the old tie rods met the collar. This is your collar, inner, outer. But you want to mark them. So what I use, and I always try to keep one on hand. Sorry, there's an ambulance going. So anyway, what I use is solid marker. So some people call it a grease marker, grease pen, paint marker. Doesn't really matter. It all does the same thing. Concept is the same for pretty much every car. You want to keep your alignment. So the best thing to do is to mark it. I also go the extra mile and take a measurement. I measured this one already. It's 17 7/8 from end to end, and you don't want to measure from the grease fitting if your car's tie rod ends has grease fittings. My truck does because, you know, it's a truck. Yeah, that's what you want to do. That way you can at least try to keep the alignment that you had previously if it was a good alignment. If not, obviously take it to a shop, have it aligned properly by a trained technician. I don't have an alignment machine at my shop because I don't have thousands upon thousands of dollars to spend on one. So what you can also do, if you're doing it at home and you're fairly competent in what you're doing, you can do what's called a string alignment. Most of you probably heard of it if you're, watching car videos. And basically what it is you do a Google search, basically, figure out what the wheelbase from outside to outside of your vehicle is, and take a measurement, run a tape measure along the ground, make a mark or something, at a known distance, give yourself 8 to 10 inches either side of the vehicle. That's what I like to do anyway, to each their own. And then run a piece of string from the front of the vehicle at that same measurement to the back of the vehicle at the same measurement. You're not doing the rear wheels because you didn't do anything to them. So, but what that'll do is it'll give you a good idea of where your alignment sits. And what you do is when you put the car back on the ground, don't put it all the way back on the ground, but leave, just enough room for the tires to turn. And basically just take a measurement from the back of the tire to the front of the tire and rough alignment. Obviously, go take it to a shop, have it looked at by a trained technician. They have machines. They're really cool. They're very expensive. Fun to use, though. And they'll hook you up with an alignment, obviously, for an exchange of monetary donation. But yeah, there you go. Jordan's quick tip of the day. And if you live in the Savannah area, Google search me at Car Smart, one word, mobile mechanic. My name's Jordan. I've been doing this my whole life. Y'all have a good day.